To send Bitcoin on Busha, start by logging into your account on the Busha platform. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up and complete the verification process before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Bitcoin wallet. This will take you to a page where you can view your Bitcoin balance and perform transactions. Next, click on the Send button to initiate a transaction. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This address is a unique string of characters that identifies the recipient's wallet. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong recipient. You can also add a memo or note to the transaction, which can help the recipient identify the purpose of the transfer. After entering the recipient's address, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount of Bitcoin or a percentage of your total balance. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and the transaction fee. Transaction fees are paid to the miners who verify and process Bitcoin transactions. The fee is usually a small fraction of the transaction amount. Once you have reviewed the details, click Confirm to send the Bitcoin. The transaction will be processed and verified by the Bitcoin network, which can take several minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. It is essential to keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount being sent before confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin on the Busha platform. Always remember to prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your account and transactions.